welcome back to my channel. My name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Ebonyline.com, and I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As well, hit that notification bell, sis, because I post weekly. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, sis, so again, I received this unit from Ebonyline.com, and they sent over this unit right here. The box is really cute, you guys. So this is from Mowtown Tress, I believe is the name. And y'all, again, the packaging is just really cute. So here is the unit. Let's go ahead and get her out. Okay, y'all, so here is the unit. It's feeling really nice, silky, and just very, very light, you guys. So let me get the start card because it fell off while opening up the package. So this is their HD Invisible Lace 13x7 Fake Scalp Pre-Made Most Natural Bald Cap. It says wider and deeper front bald cap. The finish length is 16 inches. Curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And the color is F427 Frost. And this is the stock card. And then on the back, it just has pretty much the same thing. So y'all, the unit is feeling very nice. Overall, let me show you what the inside cap looks like. So, ooh, girl, here we go. So here is the fake scalp, and it's 13x7. And then I think it has a band, which is optional. You can take this band off, or hold on, I spoke too soon. You can only take the band off on, or no, spoke too soon again. I thought this was a part where you can take it off, and you really can't. So scratch that. You cannot take this unit, the adjustable strap off at all. It has two combs on the side. And then a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. So far, you guys, it looks good. Again, the strap is not adjustable. It has to stay on. It seems like it has some pre-plucked baby hairs. This is what the hairline is looking like. But overall, you guys, the unit feels very, very nice. Very like silky, and just like some really nice hair overall. So yes, sis, we're going to go ahead and put her on. Okay, sis, so because this unit has a fake scalp, it's pointless to go ahead and try to tint the lace or whatever. So I'm just throwing the wig on, and then I'm going to lay down the wig using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and then I'm going to blow dry the spray in. So now we're going to go ahead and tint the lace, and you guys already know I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette to do this. This powder is so good. So yeah, I'm just going along the hairline, and then as you can see, I just got a little bit happy just because, girl, it was just blending so well. But yes, sis, I'm going to go in with my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and yeah, then I'm going to blow dry it in. Now for styling, well, first off, I'm just going to show you guys how the parting space is, how it looks, the fake scalp and everything like that. So I'm really just parting and showing you guys that, and then after that we're going to go ahead and style. Okay, so now we're ready to style this unit, and I feel like I'm going to do a side part just because the hair was giving me a lot of flip action when it was on the side part. It was really hitting nice. So yes, sis, we're going to do a side part, and then after I do the side part, I'm going to go in with my hot comb to flatten that part out. So just a side note, you probably want to turn up your hot comb just a little bit more on this unit. I feel like this unit will be able to take it because I had to go through with several passes just to get the part flat like I wanted it to, and it still wasn't all of that flat. But anyway, sis, so now we're just gonna go ahead and go in and do our baby hair, and I'm going for just not even a drastic look, just pulling out the bare minimum, and then I'm going to swoop it over using some mousse. Now I'm going in with my flat iron just to give the ends a little bump because I did notice that the hair is layered and some pieces was a little bit edgy. So yeah, I'm just going in giving a bump to the ends. Okay, sis, so here is what we are looking like, and girl, the hair is just bomb. It's giving me fresh perm, fresh silk press. Like, it is really a bomb unit. So yeah, girl, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. And don't bother with the little lump, you guys, because I have a ponytail in. So yeah, it would be flatter if I braided my hair, and I didn't. But anyways, girl, let's just get into the details of this unit. So big hair friendly, it is not. It is sitting fairly tight on my head. I did struggle a little bit to get this unit on, so I started off by using the band because it's on there. I'm not really a fan of the band. I just never have any luck with it, and I didn't have any luck with it this time, so I opted not to use it, and it still fit on my head very tightly. When I unboxed it, I already realized that it was a smaller cap size, but I was just hoping for the best. But yes, it's really not for us big head ladies, but you can get it onto your head. It just may be a little bit uncomfortable. Like right now, it is sitting fairly tight on my head, and I tried to push it back as much as I could just to relieve some of the tension, but I still feel some tension. So yeah, if it's a must, and if you just really want this unit and you have a big head, you can wear it. It's just, you know, it may give you a headache at the end of the day or whatever. So yeah, the texture, you guys, so like I said, sis, this is like a fresh perm, fresh silk press. Like, it's really sleek and just, girl, it's just really, really sleek, and I love it. Now, normally I'm not a fan of sleek hair, but this unit is just like really giving. Like the cut, it has some layers in it, and it just falls so nicely. It's very shaky, very movie, and just, girl, the unit is just really pretty. Really pretty. I know it's not big hair friendly, it's not made for me, sis, but it's just bomb. So anyway, the texture again is just very silky. I did receive maybe 1 or 2 tangles, nothing major at all. It is a little stiff. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, it's very silky, very sleek, but it has like a stiff feel to it. Like when I tried to flat iron it, it wasn't really flat ironing. Like the little bump, it wasn't really bumping. So I would add some oil sheen to this unit just to soften it up just a little bit and to make it you know, unstiff. Like, but it's not stiff. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's stiff, but it's not. So yeah, but it's like sleek. It's movie, it's sleek, but the texture is just like a little hard, a little stiff. But I mean, overall, it's still some pretty hair, you guys. The layers is nice. The color is nice. I didn't receive any shedding at all, you guys. I really think that on shorter units, you don't receive as much tangling and shedding as you would on a longer unit. Shorter units are much more manageable. So the longevity of this unit is probably like 3 to 4 weeks. Just because it's so short, it'll just be very easy to manage. When I flat ironed this hair, I did flat iron it on maybe 150, maybe close to 200. I didn't go further than that, just because the texture is just really, it's sleek first of all, and then it's a little stiff. And so just like I thought, when I tried to bump it, it really didn't do anything. But you will need to use a hot comb because it is so stiff and sleek that when you part it, it doesn't do anything. So you will need a hot comb just to like separate the hair, flatten it out some, and you know, just to style it. But I mean, guys, the hair is just really pretty. The lace, y'all, the lace melted very nicely. Now, it did say that this was HD lace, and again, it does have a fake scalp, and normally I'm not a fan of fake scalps just because you can see the line of demarcation, and on this unit you can't. So I think they did a really good job with this unit, with the fake scalp, with the HD lace. Like, it melted very, very nicely, y'all. Like, very nicely. I did go in and add some more powder to the hairline as well as powder to the part, and I think overall it looks really good. And about the texture of the hair, so oh, and you guys, the density of this unit. So when I watched somebody else's video of this unit, I think they had the blue hair that was on the stock card, and theirs looked so thick, so full, and she cut it and it was just beautiful. So I was looking for it to be like very full, very thick, and it's really not. It's very like giving me 150% density, just very sleek, which nothing is wrong with that. I just probably expected more of like a 200 because that's what hers was giving, like a 200 you know, density. But yeah, it's giving 150% density. But yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there. But guys, overall the unit is very pretty. I love it. I wish it was more big hair friendly just so I would get a lot more wear out of this. But yes, sis, I'll have it linked down in the description box below in case you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.